Step 2 in this process is optional, but it's something we recommend, and that is to have a dedicated Campaigns app. Now, we've got a specific way of doing this, but the key thing here is this Campaigns app is going to have a couple important bits. Number one, we do tend to, if it's a cold calling list, we do tend to put our targets here. So we have something we want to track against. We also tend to, track throughout the system. So we track how much we're spending per month on the campaign, or if it's a single, you can have a single field for how much you spend if you're buying a list, or if you want to track your VAs. You can track via calculation fields how many things are happening and how much money is being generated and what your ROI/spend per leads are. And most importantly, having some sort of search ID. Well, we do this by putting the Globiflow Podio item ID, using Globiflow to do that. But this can be anything as long as it is unique. And what that will allow us to do is will allow us to use our system to search on upload, or when automations happen, we want to be able to search for this campaign and know that we're working with this campaign. And this is going to play into how we manage our Excel uploads as well. There are other things, depending on the type of campaign, you may want to have different fields in here. If it's an inbound, like if it's a postcard campaign you're sending out, you can associate it with a smartphone tracking number so that every new call gets tracked to this campaign. There's lots of automations here, but for the purpose of cold calling, the key is that we create a campaign for the list we're uploading, and that we have a specific search ID so that we can link everything together as we qualify our cold calling lists.